Honey, it's very hot today. I'm very hungry. It will be very good if you cook something for me, please.
Hey, what the heck? Can you just stop saying very? It's monotonous. When I heard someone saying very and very, it's like being punched again and again. Please use a different words. It's also for you guys. So today, I'm gonna give you a list of words to stop you saying very. So welcome to the English learning. The first one is very rude. So stop saying very rude. You can replace it by using vulgar. So vulgar means not appropriate or very rude. The second one is very short. We can replace it by saying brief. Let's say we have brief conversation. Means that we have a very short conversation. The third one is very boring. If you want to say the class is very boring today, you can replace it by oh, the class is dull today. Dull means very boring or stupid. The next one is very cold. We can replace it with freezing. Freezing. Let's say it's freezing outside. The next is very hungry. We can replace it with ravenous. Let's say I am ravenous. Means that I am very hungry. The next one is very slow. We can replace it with sluggish. So sluggish means very slow. Let's say, what are you talking about? So my reaction is sluggish. The next one is very fast. We can replace it with rapid. When you found someone speak like, I just want to say means that he speak rapidly. The next one is very tired. We can replace it with exhausted. Let's say, I am exhausted. Means that I am very tired. The next one is very poor. We can replace it with destitute. When your friends come to you and want to borrow your money, you can say, I'm sorry dude, I'm destitute. Means that I am very poor. The next one is very rich. You can replace it with wealthy. I ever heard my students say, Miss, I want to be very rich person. You can say, I want to be wealthy. Is it clear enough? Let's practice it. Please replace the bold words with the appropriate words. Good luck!